Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know down in the comments. I want to know how you're doing. And yes, I know. I've got another unboxing and I am trying to play catch up. Now, this is newer to my channel and it's from GlowAddict. Now, last month, I unboxed the GlowAddict XL Luxe Beauty Box. And that is a $34.99 subscription. I liked it. I will link that video up here if that's something you want to check out. And this month, I switched it up a little bit. And instead, I got their beauty box, and this one is $18.99 plus shipping, and I also got their beauty bag, which is only $13.99. Yeah, and plus shipping. Now their shipping costs are a little pricey, but either way, I will see my thoughts on these two boxes and let y'all know if which ones I'm gonna keep on my channel. Also, y'all let me know what you want me to keep. The beauty box and the bag, or the XL Luxe, or they've got a skincare box too. Yeah, I did also do a spoiler video on these boxes and these subscriptions. I covered every single one of them, and I believe I did it in one of my short videos. So it's under a minute long and super quick. I am going to continue to try to do those for you guys every month so you can see what the boxes are looking like. Now, this one is the beauty box, and I said that, $18.99, right? And shipping. And another really cool thing with these subscriptions, every single box, except the skincare box, is supposed to come with a palette. So I think that's a great deal either way. Now, this month's theme for many of the products in all of the boxes, including the skincare, the theme is sativa or CBD, whatever we're calling it, right? Hemp. Now, as you can see, it is a theme across all of the boxes. So many of the things we're getting this month all have hemp, sativa, stuff like that. So this specifically is a multi-repair facial mask, and it is a sheet mask. So I don't really use sheet masks. I just like regular cream masks, but that's okay. I will most likely pass this along, along with a few of the other items, to my pal Amanda, and she loves stuff like this with the CBD, the hemp, and stuff like that. So I will link her channel up here. If you have not been by there already, go swing by and tell her I sent you. She is the sweetest. And we are trying to get her to 1K. So help a girl out. Go shoot over there and show her some love. The next thing in my box is by Cara Beauty Liquid Rouge Matte Lipstick. And there is the color. Super springy. Okay, that's pretty. I'm not going to open it up only because I do already have a couple colors similar to that. Okay, next we've got something from Derma E. And this is the Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. That's actually really cool to get. This is for, it's supposed to help with collagen, wrinkles, fine lines, and treat all of that. So that's super good. I did look through it, and surprisingly, there isn't like hemp, CBD, or sativa or anything in this one, which I was kind of surprised, but that's okay. I'm excited to try that. And then we've got a lip gloss. Look at that. And look inside. It's got like, maybe you can see it. Look at it. There's real flowers in there. Oh, that is so cool. And yes, it is a floral gloss. And they're real flowers. Okay. So that's really cute. And then there is a palette. And it's by Millennial Beauty. It's infused with cannabis sativa. That's what the packaging looks like. Yeah, I'm going to be sending this Amanda's way. So there we go. Super cute. Okay. There's no mirror, but that's okay. Look at those colors. Oh my gosh. That's super pretty. So I'm not going to swatch it. I can't remember if I've used any palettes from Millennial Beauty before. I'm not sure. But I know Amanda's going to love this. So, okay, let's recap. Now, we don't get a card or anything. Well, at least this month I didn't. Okay, we got the Sativa eyeshadow palette, the Derma E moisturizer, the collagen, peptides and collagen serum, the Cara Beauty matte lippy, the floral lip gloss with real flowers, and the hemp face mask. So 5 items in a box that's less than $20. And they're all full-size items. Okay, I'm liking this box. I think she's a keeper. Should I start doing my love it or chuck it list again? Is this going to be a love it or chuck it? I'm saying love it. $18.99. You can't go wrong. And you get a palette? What? I know. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. Is this something that you may pick up for yourself? I've got everything, all the information about this subscription down in my description box if you want to go check it out, see what else they have, and keep an eye out for my spoiler videos, because I will definitely be doing a May spoiler as soon as I get a peek on what products are going to be coming out in May through GlowAddict. Thanks as always for coming to hang out with me for just a little bit during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you so, so much. And if you like things, all things beauty, skincare, makeup, unboxings, mature beauty, and giveaways, smash that subscribe button before you go. And it does help my channel out so much. And it gives me the ability to continue bringing you content like this. Love you bunches. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.